Hi, today is September 14th, so we should be in that folder in Schoology. And thank you for your patience. I know I'm getting this video uploaded a couple hours after I usually do, but hopefully you were still able to follow some of the instructions. Today, the only thing that you're doing is submitting your notebook check. So let me show you everything in our Schoology folder for the week. All right, so in Schoology, we are going to scroll down to September. And we're going to go to the week of September 14th through September 18th. Monday, due today, notebook check number 2 to Flipgrid, and the notebook check will look at pages 7 and 19. Virtual day 2, tomorrow, or Thursday, depending on what cohort you're in. So it says quiz on Edulastic. The quiz will not be open until tomorrow morning. It's already posted, but I have it set so you can't look at it until tomorrow morning, Tuesday morning. So either you take it on Tuesday or you take it on Thursday. There are 2 options for the quiz. Okay, there's one that's called open and one that's called closed, and I'll explain the difference in a little while. And then for virtual day 3 is going to be Nearpod lesson, and you're going to be looking at notebook pages 22 and 23. So in our folder for the week, you have to go in order. Okay, you have to go in order. First thing is the daily journals presentation. So you're going to find the daily journals for this week. That is going to be on page 20, and it's going to be daily journals number 3. I hope you can see that. Then you're going to edit your table of contents. Your table of contents should be done up until page 19 at least. It does go farther than that, so if you want to get a little bit ahead, you can. And then you're going to submit notebook check number 2. So when you click on this, it's going to take you into Flipgrid. And you guys should see notebook check number 2. Your videos are not going to be visible, okay, until I watch them. Once I watch them, I'll hit active, and then you guys will be able to see each other's. Okay, so you will not see yours once it's posted until I've watched it and I approve it. So don't freak out if you submit it. You're like, Ms. Sherman, I don't see it. I just haven't graded it yet. It'll take me a little while to get through them all because your videos, some of them are going to be kind of long. For your notebook check, remember, you're just going to explain for each page what you did and what you learned. So on this page, I did. On this page, I learned. Okay? Now let's open up the instructions for the science quiz. For the quiz, you'll be going to edulastic.com and signing in with Google. If you take modified assessments, make sure you take the assessment that says Modified Unit 1, Quiz 1. If you don't know what a modified assessment is, don't worry about it, okay? It won't even appear for you. There are 2 versions of the quiz, and it's your choice of which one to take. Once you open a version, you must take that one, so choose wisely. There's one that says open response and one that says closed response. Basically, the closed response is going to be all multiple choice, all true, false, all drag and drop, things like that, all of them. The open response is going to be ones where you have to actually like explain and write out, but not for all the questions. So you guys can choose which one you do. The quiz should take approximately 20 to 30 minutes. You may use your science notebooks on them, but other websites are off limits. Please do not break the trust that I have with you right now by cheating. Next, quiz reflection and corrections. So what you're going to be doing on page 21 in your notebook is you're going to be answering these 2 questions. How did you do on the quiz, and why do you think you earned that grade? Then down here, you're going to take a second look at the questions you got wrong. So if you got a question wrong, you're going to write the question number, copy the question, write your new answer, and you're just trying to give it a second try. After you take the quiz, it should tell you which questions you got wrong. If you want to turn this in to up your grade, so remember, if you earn less than a 75% on your quiz, you're able to do corrections or retake. And so for your corrections, you'll take a picture of this and you will email it to me, and I will not accept them after September 29th. No exceptions. That's 2 weeks. Don't even wait that long. Do it this week. All right, next thing in Schoology. Notebook pages 22 and 23. This will be filled out when you go through the Nearpod. So page 22, you're going to set up your page like this. And for page 23, you're going to set up like this. Page 23 might be a little bit confusing because we're going to be testing the density of the gas from the bath bombs. So basically there's 2 different predictions we can make. We're talking about if it puts the flame above it, if it puts out the flame below it. So you're gonna fill out the top and the bottom before you watch. After you watch, then you're gonna go back and you're gonna circle the one that was correct. So the whole page is still gonna be filled out, but only half of the page is gonna be circled. So either prediction number 1 ends up being correct or prediction number 2 ends up being correct. Okay, and then we got some cool stuff planned for you when you are here in person. So, okay, bye.